Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to set up your microphone in TikTok Live Studio. First download and install TikTok Live Studio. I already have it installed, so I am going to open it now. Once it opens, go to the audio mixer. Then open device settings and select your current microphone. You can also enable the mono option to make your voice sound clear. After that, go to enhancements. Set noise settings to high. This helps reduce keyboard sounds, mouse clicks and background noises. You can also turn on audio effects. Try different templates and use the test audio option to hear how your microphone sounds through your output device. If you want more control, you can open the advanced settings to adjust the custom EQ and reverb. Click test again to check your sound. Once everything is set up, adjust your microphone volume and close the window. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.